Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what Dress Press has been hiding from us. So, not necessarily hiding, it's just a little bit harder to know without really looking and playing this game. So, Lana's dress is here, the cupcake outfit's here, and the hot dog costume is here. Then we have a bunch of toggles for these pants. So, just play around with it. Like the skirt as well, there's a bunch of options to the skirt, and then even this belt has some toggles to it where you can add chains, which I just knew about as well. This outfit too, I'm trying to do it so I don't. Okay, so there's these options. I need to remove this first. 1, 2, 3. You can add in shoulder strap. You can add in this extra layer if you want to. There's toggles for these tank tops. So this one's the dirty one. This one's the cheerleader toggle. And then even this bag has 1 or 2 toggle, and there's one animation one, so you don't need to hold the bag. This one too, it's just a backpack, but if you selected the off-shoulder one, it is really cool. So just play around with every item, I guess. But that's mostly it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.